Hello, and welcome to a short tutorial on how to insert pictures on Google Sites. The first thing that you must realize when inserting pictures in Google Sites is that copying and pasting will not work. You cannot copy a picture from a website using Command-C or right-click copy and then paste it onto a Google site. It will not work. There are two ways that you can add a picture to Google Sites. Both of them use the Insert menu. First, it depends on finding the picture. You want to use Creative Commons Media if at all possible. So I'm using the Search Creative Commons site. And I'm searching for the word blog. And I'm searching Flickr. So I click on Flickr. I find a picture that I like and I click on it. Before I download it, I should check to make sure that it is licensed Creative Commons and how I should attribute it. This person requests that I provide a link to his Flickr page when I use his picture. So I'll download this picture by clicking on the download button and choosing the size. Smaller sizes will work better. Once I download it and I saved it on my desktop as the word blog, I need to go back to Google Sites. Always make sure that your cursor is blinking at the beginning of your text before you enter your picture. Click on the Insert menu and then click on Image to insert an image. The pop-up box will appear for Add an Image. Notice that I've actually already added this image once, but I'm doing it again. I'm going to choose Upload Image. A pop-up box will appear for you to choose the image. Because I saved it on my desktop and I gave it a good name, it's easy for me to find. Then I choose the image and I click OK. That inserts the image into the Google site. Now there are some options. Wrap On is a good option for putting the text next to the picture. It makes it look a lot nicer. You can also change the size, small, medium, large, 100%, or the original size. Last, you can put the image on the left or the right. The center option never really looks very good, so I usually choose left or right. I remember that the author of the photo wants me to give him credit, so I'm going to go and copy his name from the Flickr page and paste it into my blog. Now notice that when I copy and paste text from another website, sometimes the text looks really funny. The TX button, or the clear formatting button, is really your friend here. Okay? Use the TX button. You can highlight everything that you've written and use the TX button as well, which makes it look nicer. He wanted me to give people a link to his Flickr pages, so I'm going to go and copy the link to that page and paste that link onto his name. That's the most appropriate way to give someone credit, is to follow their wishes. Then I should save my page. Here is another example using a different method. So this is my blog. I'm again using the Search Creative Commons tools. This time I'm going to search Wikimedia Commons. Wikimedia Commons is where people upload images to use in Wikipedia, and they're almost always available for you to use for free. So this time I'm searching for this specific type of motorcycle that's featured in the book that I'm reviewing. So I open up the image and I look to see what the usage requirements are, and again, they tell me the author and they allow me to use it freely as long as I give them credit. So I will do that. In this type of image, you can right-click and choose Copy Image URL. On Flickr, copying the image URL does not work. But in Google or in Wikimedia, you can. So again, I make sure that my cursor is blinking at the beginning of my text. And this time I go to Insert menu and use Photo again. But this time I use Web Address URL and paste the URL into the space. If the image does not appear below the space where you pasted the URL, then it did not work, and you will have to download the photo and upload it using that method first shown. Again, using the wrap text, left and right buttons, the size buttons, Make it look as nice as possible. Then make sure you go back and get the image credit that you should find and paste that on your website as well. Remember when you're pasting text to use the TX or clear formatting button to make it look nice. Then click Save. If you want to use the cover of your book, go find the photo on Amazon or anywhere on the internet, but then give credit to the person who created the cover art. The cover art artist is always listed on the book itself. Look for that name and type it in. Thanks for watching.